I have told you that your topic is only if and else. Did I mention anything about else? Sorry, else? Did I mention anything related to else? If else. That's what I have given you in the syllabus. And some students call me for them also. I explained it properly that only. Did I ask you to find the grade? My question, any question was there to find the grade? Gauri? Find the
Yes, ma'am, it was there.
percentage only.
No, ma'am,
Determine the grade.
grade was there.
Grade was there. Sure.
Yes, determine the grade for the student as per the percentage.
Okay. So, anyways, even though you are not finding the grade, you having for the grade, I have given you marks. That's another thing. So I did not tell you that that particular topic. So I thought I gave you only total and percentage. And only one, I think I have given you that particular program one day only, isn't it? I haven't given much explanation related to that. So you haven't, if you haven't written that grade thing, still if you have written the total and percentage, then I have given you. So don't worry about it. That is why I gave you 2 marks only. Only 2 marks you have. If it is a grade means it's a long question, then you should get more than 2 marks, 3 marks or 4 marks it will be. Okay. And all programming things are perfect. Something. All the programming codes are perfect. But when it comes to some general knowledge, let's say, the question was input device, output device. The set of options were given, and I don't know why the camera, for some students, the camera is a storage device. How come storage device, the camera, SSD, there's some output device for some. These are very simple general knowledge things that you should know. What is this SSD? Who can say Vishnu? Vishnu? SSD? Any idea? SSD? SSD is a storage device. It's a hard. It's not for the hardware. SSD is very thin. Normally, you can buy very thin laptop. Weight is very less, so they use SSD. In the smart board, it is SSD. We use SSD. It will be very thin. It will be like a small memory card. You can have, and that you can have 1 terabyte memory, so that you can use it as a hard disk. It will be very fast. And when the size is small and the processing capability, everything is more, then of course the money, the cost is also very. SSD is a memory, it is storage. Camera, camera is just like your eye. So what is it? Is it an input device or output device? Camera. Tell me, camera.
Input, ma'am.
If you are okay, it is a input device, not an output device. It's an input device. Then what about your printer? Sorry, scanner. One question was on scanner. Scanner
Input.
is an input device, not an output device. Scanner, you are giving something to the scanner and it is scanning it and it is putting it into the computer. Printer, output devices. These kind of things is not made. And the identifier questions, many of you have made this thing. And one question was the 1 GB is equal to that kilobyte. What's the answer, Apul?
1024 into 1024.
1024 into 1024 kilobytes. For some people, it is 10 raised to 24. See, 10 raised to 24 is a very, very, very big number. And also for some students, it is 1024 plus 1024. No, it's all wrong. Even if we have written 1024 into 1000, it's okay. No need to write the calculation. The basic thing what I ask is whether you know the conversion, means how to change it. That was my question. So next time, don't make that kind of mistake. Okay. Now, any doubt regarding the any questions in the question paper? Any doubt? There is 11. That is not yet. And few of them they just skip the question. That is the case. No. Very simple questions. Even that's well 4 mark question. 4 mark question means there should be content in the answer sheet so that the teacher can give you 4 marks. 4 mark question, 1 line each. Data type in Boolean, 1 line each. How can I give 4 marks for that? So when you write explanation for that, you have to write what is it and write an example. And only you will get what is the definition and at least one example. Dictionary. What is it? Then an example of the dictionary. Okay, clear? Now any other doubts? Okay, regarding the question. Great. Great question. We'll see, but we have to do some more questions using if and else. But we will complete that. Then only we move to grade. Grade question is slightly complicated, but I don't know how the many answers is that answer is also correct. So you are, I will take the answer sheet and let me check so that that person to explain the question. Okay, respectful. Some students have done it. That technique is being discussed. So you can ask them to explain to you. Okay, that is I forgot to use that. Now we will do some programs. Okay, so that you will understand more about if else. Now we'll concentrate on only if else. So write a question. Write a Python program, not C++ program, Python program. To find the volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder.
Ma'am, can you say once more?
Write a Python program. So usually when you write a Python program, you used to take as a script. So write a Python script to find the volume of a cylinder. Max students, what's the formula? Volume of a cylinder.
Pi r square s.
Pi r square s. Correct. The formula is pi r square s. Write down. Pi r square is or pi r cube s. Okay, you write down. Let me check. Pi r square. Elvina and Joe, Mohammed Abdul, and video, Elvina. Turn on your video. Once you have completed, you can give a, you know, some reactions are here. You can give a, can you give a thumbs up, something like that? Only a right hand. Asking you. Once this is over, yes, let me know. 3, don't search in Google. There is no keyboard icon for pi, so you need to get the one for R cube. And you can, and then R you take from the user. Input you have to take from the user. R and X. That's also height and
Ma'am, for pi, what should we do?
pi R square X.
No, ma'am. Instead of pi, what we should give there?
3.14.
We should directly give the value.
It's a mathematical formula. When you do it as a program, you need to be 3.14. Is it over? Cynthia, Saudi, Meenakshi? Or you need more time? Either you say yes or you say no. Say no response. Question, is it over? So I'll be writing that program in the screen and you have to correct by your check for the integration. Okay? Correct. Next time don't make kind of mistake. The first statement, P pi R square X. So you know that R is, pi is 3.14. So normally radius can be a decimal number. So accept it as log. So you can write R equal log input is your radius how many brackets you need? One bracket. One bracket for this and The next one. Then enter the radius of cylinder. Then what is the next one? Height also will write in the same way. Is equal to plus see the indentation followed in the later input. Input body you need to write inside. Enter the height. Then next is volume, right? So directly you can write is equal to 3.14 into R into x. This is how you need to write this form. You take your coding to this, and if you need any correction, you can do it. Is it clear to you now? It is clear, but when it comes for examination, it is not clear. One more question you can write. Write a program to access the number and display if it is the number is n, then display it n square, n cube, n raised to 4. Display it n square, n cube, and n raised to 4. That's it. Let's use Q&A. N square, n cube, and n raised to 4. Now write down. Evaluating the paper like that. Isn't it, Emmanuel? Finish? Very simple. Very simple. So let's see how to do that. N is equal to and why not tell you to turn off the video? You tell me the answer. In bracket Anjo, come back. Emmanuel. Okay. Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
Yes, ma'am.
What does it?
Enter the number. Open the. Enter the number equal to quote, double quote in a close bracket.
Okay. Next line.
N equal to
Change into any variable directly content. Okay.
N
Into N. Then first thing you can write that NQ. How to write NQ?
N
Star.
one more into
N star star.
star. That's
Star.
three. Three.
Three. Then why did you say
That is star. My board Charlie income.
okay? Okay. N star star 3, comma
N
N star star.
4.
Very simple. This also, if you want, you can change to star star. Star star. No, star star. Star star. N square, N cube, and raised to 4. See the integration? Integration should be proper in your answer sheet. According to your answer sheet, when you write it, when you do it in your software, indentation should be proper. So otherwise, you won't get the desired outcome. It will give you an error message. Clear? So, right. Next question. Doctor, predict the output. Question is predict the output. Write the form here. We have to predict the output. A comma, B comma, C is equal to comma, B comma, A comma, B comma, C is equal to A star A, comma, A star B, comma, A star C. A comma, B comma, C. Find out.
Two, 6, 8.
What's it? Aryan? Aryan? Aryan, tell me, we sent
Ma'am, A into A will be
it?
4. B into B 6. And 8. B.
Any other answers? Gauri,
Ma'am, same.
same. Akshara,
Ma'am, same answer.
Same answer. Lydia,
4, 6,
4, 6,
8.
8. That's the same answer. Question.
Same.
Okay. How come? Srihari,
4, 6, 8, sir.
Dia,
6, 8.
Emmanuel. Emmanuel will tell me the correct. Emmanuel,
Ma'am, A comma B comma C equal to 4 comma 6 comma 8.
take it the same. Elvira,
Same, ma'am.
Evelyn,
Same, ma'am.
same. Adul,
Same.
same. Then why should I teach you this item? It doesn't mean that all your answer, all are saying the same thing and your answer is correct. Don't think that. No other answer. No one has got any other answers.
A into A into B, A into C, that same values will be changed for that.
So two.
For first ABC, values I have written, and second ABC, so values will be changed.
But the answer is that is the answer that all others were saying. That is the answer. I was just asking you. So that is the correct answer. So I understood that you know something about you know very well. That is, okay, that's all. I know.